This video is for activity 4.7, in specific, how to make a SnailCam. For activity 4.7, you're going to be working in a team of 4, which in this case is your row. Each person will be given a different nominal diameter, either 1.5, 2, 2.5, or 3. The nominal diameter on your dimensioned cam drawings is referred to as D in the dimensions. So where you see 1/2 D, they're saying 1/2 times your nominal diameter. In this case, I'm going to be using 1.5 as the nominal diameter. The activity is also going to be referring you to go to PLTW. So if you log into my.pltw.org and go to our course, you're going to go to Unit 4 to find these videos, then our activity 4.7, and then you're going to go to the Resources tab. The first video describes the motion graphs and the cam's shape and how they're related, also how to read the motion graph and write them down as you're going through the video and the activity. The second video talks about work features, so work axes and work planes that you're going to need to add to your cams in order to make the motion accurate. And the final one is how to assemble the automata cam motions. You'll also find a automata simulation zip folder which has Inventor files. These files are also shared with you in the Google Drive in the automata simulation folder. Now, to make the SnailCam, first thing you're going to want to do is make a new part file. You're going to select a plane that you're going to be drawing on, and then the first thing we're going to draw is actually our axle hole, so that's 3/16 of an inch. You can actually type it as a fraction and it will calculate that math for you. I'm going to switch from regular lines to construction lines, and that's found over towards the end in the Format panel. And I'm going to make 2 circles. Now on the drawings, it's giving you the dimensions as a radius. So keep in mind, right now I'm drawing a circle, so this is actually giving me the diameter. So I'm going to, instead of using 1/2 D, which is my radius, I'm going to use the full value of my nominal diameter. The second circle is the smaller circle, which is normally 1/4 times the nominal diameter, but since I'm going to be drawing a circle first instead of using the radius, I'm going to use 1/2. 1/4 times 2 is 1/2. So I'm going to do 1.5 divided by 2, which is the same thing as saying 1.5 times 1/2. So now that I have my 2 construction circles, I'm going to turn off my construction lines, and I'm going to draw a line from the top of the larger circle to the top of the smaller circle. Then I'm going to use my 3-point arc tool, go from the top of my large circle to the bottom of my large circle, and then to the right side. I'm going to switch my arc tool to the tangent arc because I want to apply a tangent constraint to this part of the circle. So where I start is going to apply my tangent constraint. And then I'm going to go to the base of this line, which is the top of the small circle, and I have my cam shape. I'm going to go ahead and extrude that 3/16 of an inch, and there is your SnailCam. Hope you enjoyed it.